Matthew, you know that's the nicest car you've ever seen.
Pass.
No. Look at that carbon fiber rear lip. It has carbon fiber mirrors and carbon fiber hood.
Meh.
No. It's not meh.
It's meh.
You hear that? It shoots fire. Those HRE wheels. Can't even see it.
You just saw me do it.
Wow.
Oops.
Wow. Wow.
Damn it.
Wow. Damn. Is your car tuned, bro? Are you chipped?
Get in the car.
What is that?
What is what?
That thing there.
What thing? Oh, that's the it's a T-Mobile thing. It's free Wi-Fi.
So you're chipped?
No, fuck them. Actually, I'm not gonna advertise their shit.
The famous J-turn. Where everyone crashes. Not everyone, but a BMW is flipped over right there. Motorcycles have crashed all over the place. And that's where everyone pulls over. To hang out. That's so loud!
Pop it.
Hey.
That actually looks good.
Yeah, it does. Right now we're gonna...
Unlucky.
Right now we're gonna film Matthew's Pure Sounds. So you guys saw that at the beginning of the video, so we will be back right after that is done.
Do you mind?
I'll slip there. So we are now deep in Malibu, actually on, it's called Decker Canyon. Just finished up filming the Pure Sounds on the Prelude. Matthew, you weren't hitting those hard lateral G's.
The tires are screaming.
That van is hitting the lateral G's.
Alright.
The GoPro will tell us what you hit.
We'll see.
I think 0.6.
I'm not worried.
Matthew, you missed the signups for the autocross. Both Sewell and I reminded him so many times. Didn't sign up. And then it got full.
In my defense, I tried a bunch of things. It shouldn't be that hard to sign up. I know you guys didn't have issues. I was. I used 3 different forms of internet, 2 different accounts. I don't know what more I could have done. Nice. Anyways. Yeah. Hopefully we'll hit a track day this summer.
Hopefully.
Yeah, my money's tight now. We'll see.
Let's go. What in the world? You did it. You caught the truck. Now you turn around and go back up.
Should I?
So we ended up getting back from the Snake a little bit later than expected, so I had to take off straight to work, so I didn't film an outro to this video. Also, I've been having issues with the SR20 and just getting it started. Like, sometimes it starts, sometimes it doesn't want to. Still have to pull off the starter and test it to see if that's the issue or not. The wiring seems okay everywhere else in the harness, and I did replace the starter relay to see if that would be the cause, but it still is very finicky. So I'm going to be dealing with that over the next couple days, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.